Hello, my name is Julian and we are in Okada, Manila, about to witness the grand launch of the Vivo V29. It's going to be a jam-packed event, so I'm going to be giving you a tour of everything that's about to happen. Christmas came a little earlier this year at Okada, Manila, as Vivo planned a spectacle like no other. Joining the event was of course Vivo's brand ambassador Ann Curtis herself, making the night sparkle even more as she magically changed dresses on stage, representing the two colors of the Vivo V29, Starry Purple and Magic Maroon. Vivo also made a huge announcement as they revealed that the brand is once again the official smartphone for the NBA Philippines.
We're working on some super cool initiatives with Vivo right now, and those are going to get rolled out through the partnership. Again, really bringing the partnership to life and really bringing the NBA to fans in this market.
And finally, guests were allowed to experience the Vivo V29 5G itself. The Vivo V29 features a sleek and elegant design and powerful specs. The Vivo V29 was actually made with mobile phone photographers in mind, and we did shoot a full review of this mobile phone on Tech Wrap Unwrapped, so be sure to look for that video.